Make a great choice today with the 2015 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, security system. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.